so I don't know if you can see actually because of the sun. Let's start again. Right, so it's a pretty glorious day today. The sun is out, as you can see. So I'm going to try and just trial fit some bits we've got for the Cayman and just see if they fit, see if I'm wasting my time. It's pretty much probably as far as we're going to get. Maybe fit the little side vents, but we've got spoilers, we've got side skirts, we've got a few things, so let's see how we get on basically. Right, see you in a minute. So that's the box off, as you can see. So that's going to be the vents. As you can see, they're white, so we'll probably not fit them. That's the main blade of the spoiler. That's the fitting template, inner and outer. That's the base plate of the spoiler. That's one side skirt. That's the other side skirt. Those are the uprights for the spoiler. Right, so things have moved a little bit quicker than I was expecting, to be honest with you. So I removed this thing, this little mud flap. There's basically these 5 screws and it left this, so I've lined the side skirt up. I don't know how I'm going to do this with only 2 hands, but basically that fits in there like that. That's not bad actually. And then if I can hold this up, and then that fits there, which I'm holding up with my foot, as you can see, and it fits not that bad. That's a bit better, isn't it? So it's going to take a little bit of finessing. I probably will get a body shop to sort it, but generally it's there. This isn't that bad of a fit. Obviously it's me trying to do it with one hand, but yeah, there you go. That's better, isn't it? So that's pretty much, I'll zoom out, pretty much how this side skirt's going to look. Obviously forgive me lying down and looking like a dickhead, but that's pretty much the side skirt, so I'm pretty happy with that. And I'm pretty sure the other side will fit exactly the same. I'll just line them next to each other, and as long as they're the same length, then they're going to fit, aren't they? So I'll come back and set. And there we have the 2 side skirts next to each other. So they're the same length, so that tells me both sides are going to fit. So job done for the side skirts. So onto these vents now. So I've never opened these, so you get to see the exciting process of opening a present. And there we go. And with this more open style, don't know if you can see that properly, but yeah. So some idiots on the internet try and tell you that these open vents like this add like 30 brake horsepower, and I'm here to tell you that that simply isn't true. They add 0 brake horsepower. But anyway, let's try them and see if they fit. Right, so first step is get rid of these. So what you do is you put the screwdriver in here, you twist and give it a little pull and it comes off. But obviously I need 2 hands to do that, so I'm going to put the camera down, do it, and I'll come back. So there we go, so that's the grill part off. To be honest, it ended up snapping this, but I think it was already snapped, as was that. So I don't think it's made any difference really. Next is to get these tabs off, here, here, here and here, and this inner bit comes out. So again, I'll come back. So that's the inner bit off, that was dead easy. Put that there. Now I think I need to get these out for it to fit properly. I'm going to trial it and I'll come back if I need to whip them out. Let's just see. Yeah, they're a little bit tight, so I'll get them out and then we'll trial it. So that went well. Anyone who knows me will tell you finesse when it comes to these little tabs is not my forte, but anyway, now we're here. Let's trial this. Does it fit? Absolutely bob on, look at that. Well, pretty much bob on for what I've paid for them anyway. So I'm pretty happy with that. Let's just stand back. Yeah, they'll be alright, won't they, painted up? They look fine dabby dozy to me. So again, we'll whip them back out, stick the originals back in for now until I get the right screws and everything to be able to fit them properly. But yeah, as a trial fit, goes well. And there we are, all back, returned to original, or at least as close as I really give a shit, because I'm probably going to fit them vents, maybe even this afternoon. I'll go and get some paint and some little bolts and that, and get them on, I think. So yeah, right, on to the next one. So the last one is real simple, it's just this spoiler. So you've got to remove the actual original spoiler for it to sit proper, and I can't be bothered doing that. So just to line it up, give or take, get a rough idea, and again it seems to be about right, so close enough that I'll just crack on with it once it's painted and everything. That's pretty much all there is to that. Obviously them side plates will fit here, come up, and then the big spoiler will go across the back. So as you can see, it's coming along pretty well. So yeah, that's all the parts I'm going to trial fit today. Right, yeah, so that concludes the video really. As you can see, it's a few little bits, it's not everything. I've got the front mount radiator to fit, I've got the vent for it to vent out, I've got an exhaust, I've got a front splitter on the way, I've got a rear diffuser on the way. And then there's a few little bits like this. See this here, the paint's come off the front edge of the bonnet, so we'll fix that, and then the headliner issue that you've seen, and then it's onto the fun stuff after that once it looks apart. Oh, and wheels, obviously we've got wheels to go on. So once it looks apart, then we can look at engine stuff, making it faster, coilovers, adjustable arms, all that jazz really. Now I'm not gonna strip the interior out, I'm gonna leave it as is, but there's a few little bits for that as well that we're gonna do. So yeah, I'll leave that as a surprise for now, mostly because it's probably going to take me 2 years to get there, so it's probably going to be a surprise to me because I'll forget and then remember again. So that's it, so I'll keep you posted with the progress. Yeah, like I keep beating on in the other videos as well, do us a favour, give us a subscribe and a like and all that jazz. The buy us a coffee thing, again the link's down there. It's a bit annoying, I know, but if you can afford to donate £2 or whatever it is, then you know it'd be much appreciated, and it gets me where we need to be a little bit quicker. Other than that, yeah, stay safe. I'll come back with some more videos later. So